Welcome back, everyone. I'm Bobby Techno from Bobby's Tech World, and today what we're going to do is we're going to change the super user. Pretty much when the previous video we installed KingRoot. Okay, this is the pretty much the super user access, I guess. So when you go to somewhere that requires root, KingRoot will pop up and ask you to grant access and stuff like that. But I want to get rid of that because we need to put on SuperSU for future things, and I know SuperSU works really well and everything. So luckily there is, if we go back to our XDA form, and I'll have the form linked below, someone was nice enough to put a link to a blog post, I guess, on how to go ahead and swap this out. I'll have that link to the website down below as well. We'll see it. There we go. So go back to this form here. Alright, what we have here is this link here to replace your King User app with SuperSU. Alright, we'll go ahead and scroll down here. If you want to read the material, you can. Here's what you need. You need an Android terminal emulator, ES File Explorer, and working replacing this version tool 2.4 to swap the King User with SuperSU. So I'm going to go ahead and install 2.4. Alright, it is now installed. So I'm going to go ahead and install the terminal emulator. Let me go back to that one website. If not, you can always type it in the Play Store. It's really not a big deal, but I wanted to go here for you so you can see all the links on this form work. If not, I'll have all these links below to the terminal emulator. Go to the Play Store. Alright, and ES File Explorer. I already have that installed, so no big deal. Now that we have the terminal emulator installed, we have ES File Explorer installed, and we have that file that had downloaded previously from our website. That's alright. You know where the website's at. I'll have the information down below, all the links you're going to need in the steps. Okay. So at this point, you want to go to ES File Explorer. You go to your download. Here's your zip file. You want to hold down on it, hit more, hit extract to, choose path. You want the SD card, okay? Now as soon as we do that, I've already done it once, so you can see it right here. You'll see a folder that says MRW. So if you click in there and look, you see all your super user APK and the necessary files to help flash this. So let's go ahead and go to our terminal emulator. I'm going to wipe all that. In here, we'll type in SU, hit enter. Alright, it should prompt you for root access, and I already had granted it earlier, so it'll prompt you and you hit grant or allow. At this point, type in SH space / SD card / MRW / root.sh, and then enter. Success. At this point, you don't want to touch anything. So see, it's going to ask you to go ahead and delete it. Yeah, sure, delete it. I don't care. I'm going to decline Google's eyes on this, and you just sit here and wait and let it roll through its course. And it says, do you want to update the binary for well, yeah, basically you want to update the binary for that. So let's go back to that. Where are we at here? So you want to go ahead and click on that. If not, if you missed it like I just did, go ahead and hit right here. It needs to be updated. Hit continue. You want to do normal, so we can update your binary. There you go. Installation success. Alright, it's recommended to reboot your device, so you can go ahead and reboot it if you wish. I'll go ahead and do that now. But basically this is it. This is for your Samsung Galaxy S4. For now, all I have is the Verizon version, so there you go. I'll put it in title down below that. Make sure it's Verizon. And that's it. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy SuperSU root access. I'll have more videos coming that will help guide you through some really cool stuff for our Lollipop Edition Android 5.0. So anyway, my name is Bobby Techno from Bobby's Tech World, and I'm pulling chalks.